How do you turn on the desktop mode on the iPhone with the Google Chrome? So let me explain it. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So we can open up the Google Chrome like so, make sure that we are inside of this page and we can browse some website, whatever, right? It might be, just go to some random page. And if we want to access the desktop version of this one, what we do is that we click on the three dots button in the bottom right corner. So this is what you need to tap on, and plenty of options which are going to appear, right? So you can scroll through them and so on. But when you swipe it up like this, you should be able to find the button which says request desktop site. So you don't like hold down on it, you can just tap it like this. You can see that it restarts the page, and now Google is much more like zoomed out. It's now the desktop version and not a mobile one, and that's how you can perform it for any browser or like any website which you are looking at. So that's pretty much just it. You can do it for any app that you want. Of course, there are some additional things like some settings which you might want to go through for the Chrome and like manage it in here and so on, but you know, that was the main thing which you need to know about it. So I hope that I was able to help you out with that. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions, use the comment section. For now, that's it, and I'll talk to you later.